So I love rollerballs because it allows me to take my essential oils on the go, and they're already ready and prepped for me to be able to use on my skin. So something about essential oils, you know, is you don't want to use them directly on your skin. They need to be diluted in a carrier oil. All right, so let's look at the 3 components of the rollerball. So first you have your glass. This is the I guess the base, or the glass, if you will. So this is where all the magic happens, right? And then you have a cap, and then there's a rollerball. The rollerballs that we're using, they have a plastic ball on them, but you can buy these with a metal tip as well. All right. Once again, these make amazing gifts for y'all, for your friends. And you can use a single oil. You can make a single oil rollerball, or you can make use a blend, okay? In terms of how much essential oil that we're using, we are using 4 drops of essential oil, which is going to give us, if you do all the calculations and everything, it's going to give us about a 2% essential oil ratio to the carrier oil. Now the reason that we're doing 2%, because you can go stronger, right? But the reason that we're doing 2% is because I want these to be safe for everyday use, okay? If you go to between 4 and 6%, then that means you're putting upwards of 10 drops of the essential oil into here. Those are typically used for occasional use. Like, I'm making a rollerball that I'm going to use for pain management, you know. But I'm only using that once in a while. I'm not using that consistently every day. So the recipe that we're using at the 2% ratio, you can put this on every morning. Almost wear it like perfume if you want. And it will be safe for your skin. All right, so let's go ahead and make this rollerball. It's gonna be real quick and it's super easy, y'all. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add 4 drops of essential oil into our container. One, 2, 3. All right, so that's 4 drops. I don't know if you can see that, but that's not much, right? That's 4 drops. And then you're gonna fill the rest with the carrier oil of your choice. So you got almond oil and you got fractionated coconut oil in your kit. I really like the fractionated coconut oil because it doesn't have a strong scent, and so the essential oil really does come through. With the almond oil, you still get the essential oil, but it does have a kind of a nutty scent. And if you're allergic to nuts, then you probably don't want to use the almond oil, okay? So go ahead and toss that in the trash if you're allergic to nuts. But you can also use other oils. There's sunflower oil, there's safflower oil, there's jojoba oil, there's olive oil. You can use any carrier oil that you want in your rollerball. All right, so hopefully I don't make a mess here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this the rest of the way. Now, if your bottle doesn't have a squeeze cap, which I don't believe it does, then you can use a funnel. You can use the funnel that's provided, or you can use a pipette. Okay, so I filled that the rest of the way. I might have filled it too much, y'all. Let's see. So next you put your cap in and you push it down. Before you use this, I recommend putting the black cap on and screwing it. I found that screwing that on tight, it just puts a little pressure on that cap so that we know that it's stuck down. All right, so once you've done that, you know, give this a little shake, and give it a little shake, or you can roll it in your hands like this. But you want to mix it up is the idea. And that's it. Put your label on the outside to show what it is. And then when you're ready to use it, you know, take your cap off, and you just roll. The roller balls, it's really popular to use them on your neck, your temples, on your wrist. People use it on their chest and also on the soles of their feet. So I put it there, rub it together, and then just take a whiff. Relaxing, y'all. So relaxing. So that's your roller ball. It's gonna roll. There we go. That's the roller balls.